health department, to social welfare department, and also, as I said, whole society, for faith institutions, traditional institutions, youth organizations. So a lot of work is happening now, and also to engage adolescent boys and girls. We are also coming up with an ideas of like how actually we can provide extracurricular activities in the schools, how to engage, provide life skills to the students. So a lot of whole systemic effort is happening in the state. So just like today, we have come here, as I mentioned, that like to really to take forward what we have discussed earlier, and to start working. In fact, our Honorable Minister, in fact, our Honorable Chief Minister also has been telling that like whatever the support that is required, will be provided by the government.
Leave the house open for any suggestions. We can move forward.
I'm happy to be here in this meeting today. I'm from the Unitarian Church, and we were invited, and so we hope that this deal will be going ahead. Father Richard Majau, I'm the Episcopal Vicar of the Archdiocese of Shillong, Catholic Archdiocese of Shillong. And thank you very much for inviting us here for this meeting, very important meeting. In fact, we have been sitting again and again for this important meeting because it's affecting society. We would like also to know in a more, what they call it, more a concrete way, how the government is planning to help what they call faith institutions with regard to this problem that we have. So this is only a thing that I thought I should put in front of the government, and what are the ways that we are planning to help these different congregations that we have here in the state of Meghalaya. We feel concerned about this very much from the part of the faith forum, and also from the part of the church. We feel very much concerned with this important matter. But we also like, because this is also at the same time is very, very technical matter, and if we also like to, if we can hear from the government, what are the steps that you're planning to help with regard to the different churches that we have, different faith congregations that we have here in the state of Meghalaya. Thank you very much.
Reverend Ernest Lamin from All Saints Cathedral and part of the Shillong All Faith Forum. Thank you.
You can also ask some questions like Richard Majau, Father Richard Majau, like others. Like, Reverend Kharkungar, please go ahead. Please go ahead.
Sorry, may we reject us. What Sir is intending is like Father Richard Majau. After the introduction, you can raise any questions that you feel.
You can give your suggestion. Yeah.
True.
Good afternoon. Thank you for the invitation to this meeting. We've been making several efforts. I'm Reverend Kharkungar, and I come here with the Shillong All Faiths Forum group. We have been working together from the beginning and over many months, but there is still much to do. We are there to cooperate and to support, and although we are not professionals, but we are there to support the effort of the government and all leaders of society to contribute to a society which is healthy and free from these abuses. Thank you.
I'm Pastor Lawson Meghalaya. I'm from Seventh Adventist Church. We came here together to listen from the state side to give us some suggestion on how to take care of those people who are in need of counseling or other things that we have to do for them to help them for the misuse of drugs. So from our church side, we long time ago we have been discussing in the church about not to use all kind of substance, those who are not good for the body. So that's the reason in our church we teach the young people in our church that even tobacco, even all kinds of any substance that is not good for our body, we teach them not to use them. Thank you.
On behalf of Tibetan community, I very much appreciated the initiative taken by government to tackle the drug problem. I don't have any suggestions.
Hello, I'm Naughton. I'm the Vice President of Shillong On Faith Forum and also from the Shillong Muslim Union. I am very glad to be here, and I think I have lost the count of the meetings we had with the ministers, with the principal secretary. Of course, I think now we should get ready and start instead of talking over the table. Very often we have been told and suggestion has been given, and after that there is no follow-up. So I would like to request the government, like I think Mr. Sampath Kumar knows that we had given a lot of suggestions from South. So what happened to those suggestions? Apart from that, like when Francis had said that even initiative, and even the principal secretary said that the initiative has been taken from the school. It's just a simple, one small suggestion is there. In the school, like how about having the morning drugs can be used? Because I believe catching them young, when we catch them early, then it helps. And apart from that, like let me tell you, as we had already told to the government, that every Friday in our mosque, we have, like say around 2 minutes or so, we used to announce the users of drugs, how bad it is. It is not only affecting the society, the community, and that is all. And apart from that, like suppose the government will suggest a program in a mosque or in a church, because we can talk, we can tell them very few things. Technically, we are not equipped. So if a program is organized and some technical persons from the government side can be sent, so I think they can really come up with the exact thing what they want. That is all suggestion I have, and in the course of time we can, if there is any other suggestion, we can give. Thank you.